Welcome to my channel, Canine Crooner Fan Austin. Good morning, guys. I'm Canine Crooner Fan Austin there, and we're going to take a look at this dandy singing frog duck. Because this one's a frog duck because it has frog feet. His feet looks like frog feet, and it has bunny ears, and let's take a look. His cheeks light up red, and what does this frog duck sing? The frog duck plays the yakety yak song in the cheeks light up, and in good working condition. He's really cute, and the picture has his cheeks light up red. And it also has batteries, like free AA batteries. He's really cute. Yep, so this one might be a drog or a fruck, but you can't say the F word. Yet, yeah, fruck is not a bad word with an R on it. So, yep, this is the frog duck. He's really cute, and here's his button on his leg. The frog duck plays. I can call it a frog duck. That sounds fine. Yep, so the frog duck sings yakety yak, and it has bunny ears. And this is one of my favorites because it looks kind of silly and has frog feet. Here we go. So this is the video. Yep, so this is the singing frog duck that sings the yakety yak song. So goodbye and have a good day. And I'll see you later. Have a good day. And also have a good weekend.
A gigantic angry bird! Oh my god. How jealous are you right now? This is awesome. Like now. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. 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 Awesome.